Mama-to-be, what's the best way to have a confident and joyful pregnancy? Is it following every pregnancy book ever written or trusting your instincts and winging it? Well, according to science and real moms who've been there, the answer lies in having the right support and tools to empower you. The truth is that pregnancy is transformational. Beautiful, yes, but also full of questions, challenges, and generally some overwhelm. You might find yourself scrolling endlessly, wondering, am I eating the right things? What's the deal with all these aches and pains? How do I even prepare for labor without feeling terrified? Add to that the endless advice from Google, well-meaning relatives, and even strangers at the grocery store. And it's no wonder that pregnancy can feel both overwhelming and isolating. But here's the good news. You don't have to figure it all out alone. That's why I created this space just for you. Let me introduce myself. I'm Marie Burwald, a holistic health coach and mom of 3, and I have been where you are. And I know how important it is to feel supported, informed, and empowered during this incredible journey. So I want to welcome you to Bloomful. It's the community created for mamas just like you. It's your ultimate support system for navigating this journey to motherhood, a space where you can learn simple, actionable tools to take care of your body and your mind, because a thriving mama means a thriving baby. And you'll find a supportive community of pregnant women who get you, plus weekly live health coaching sessions, yoga sessions, and support circles. At Bloomful, you'll find everything you need to thrive during your pregnancy and as you step into motherhood, all in one place. Now, I've had the privilege of helping countless moms enhance their pregnancies and feel ready for the next chapter. Like Jessica, who said, before I was overwhelmed by everything, and now I feel confident, supported, and so much more prepared for life with my baby. Or Maya, who struggled with prenatal anxiety and found tools and support that she needed in her pregnancy in order to actually enjoy it. And if they can do it, so can you. I want you to picture this. You wake up feeling calm and energized. You know exactly how to best care for your body and mind during pregnancy. And you're actually enjoying the journey, even with the cravings and the swollen feet. You feel supported by a loving community of like-minded mamas, and as your due date approaches, you feel calm, ready, and excited. Now fast forward a year. You're thriving as a new mom with wellness tools that help you balance self-care with family care. And you feel healthier, happier, and more fulfilled than ever, with a healthy, happy baby and a daily routine that brings you joy. That is what is waiting for you inside Bloomful. And right now, I'm inviting you to try Bloomful for just $1.99 for your first month. That's less than your favorite latte to try a space designed to help you feel empowered, supported, and completely ready for what's ahead. After your first month, it's just $29 a month to stay connected, supported, and equipped. A small investment in your well-being and your baby's future. So click the button below to join us today. You deserve to thrive during your pregnancy, and we are here to make that happen. But don't wait too long. This special $1.99 offer is only available for a limited time, and the spots are filling up quickly, and I'd love to see you inside. So click below to join us, and let's make your pregnancy and postpartum journey feel feel as magical as it should be.